Hello students, we are going today teach a very important chapter that is called permutation and combination. It is important for all competitive examinations and other board examinations like CBSE and other states board examinations. So let's start. What is the permutation? And to go starts the chapter permutation, first of all we know that what is the term factorial. So let's start. Suppose there is n natural number, n is the natural number, then if we write the product of the 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 and so on up to n terms starting from 1 to n, then the factorial of n is denoted by like this. This is the symbol factorial n, or another symbol is n and this is the factorial term. So we can say that the factorial is the term which is the continued product from the 1 to n if the factorial n is given. So if factorial 5, if we have to find the value of factorial 5, then we can write 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. The number will start either from the ending terms or from the starting from 1 to last term. We can also write this term like 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. This will same, because we know that in these two terms only sequence are changed, because if the factorial 5 is given, then we start from the ending terms 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and if we write the same term starting from 1 to 5, then we can write 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. That means the factorial term can be written as if factorial 5 is given, that is we will write the term starting from 1 to 5. Similarly, if the note here factorial 0, the value of factorial 0 is 1. Factorial 0 is 1. Now if we have to find the value of factorial 6, then we can write 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. That is the continued product from the 1 to 6, or ending term, that is 6 to 1, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is the meaning of factorial term. Factorial means the continued product of the any natural number starting from 1 to the last term. If factorial n is given, that is the continued product of the 1 to n. Now let us know what is permutation. What is the permutation? परम्यूटेशन क्या होता है? परम्यूटेशन if there are n different objects and we have to select r objects or things at a time, then we can write P n r. This is the symbol of permutation, or another notation of permutation is NPR, where n are the different objects and we have to select only r objects from n. That means r will always less than or equal to n, because the number of selection of objects must be always less than or equal to the n, not greater than n. Now the value of NPR equal to factorial n divided by factorial n minus r, or it is also written as factorial n like this and factorial n minus r like this. This is the value of factorial NPR. Now we will find the value of NPN. It means there are n different objects and we have taken n objects at the same time. Then it can be written as NPN, and the value of NPN equal to factorial n divided by n minus n factorial, because I have just written the value of factorial NPR, formula of factorial NPR equal to factorial n divided by factorial n minus r. So putting the value of r as n, then we get the factorial n divided by n minus n factorial. Now factorial n will written as it is, and n minus n, that is 0, and the factorial of 0 equal to 1, as I told earlier. So factorial n divided by factorial 0, that is 1 equal to factorial n.